If you've ever spent far too long designing ads that still don't perform well, then adcreative.ai is one of the few tools out there that could actually make the whole process a lot easier and faster for you. So in this adcreative.ai review, I'm going to show you exactly what this tool can do. Now, it claims that it can create ads that convert up to 14 times better than standard creatives, which is quite a statement. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the platform step by step, show you how the main features work, and give you a clear idea as to whether it's actually going to be useful for your business. Hi, my name's Steve from entrepreneurnut.com, and on this channel, I share tips, tools, and strategies to help you work online smarter, not harder. Now, let's get into the video. Now, before we get into the more impressive parts of adcreative.ai, there's one thing I want to show you first, because once you understand this bit, the rest of the platform makes a lot more sense. Now, adcreative.ai is an AI-driven platform that's designed to generate ads, images, videos, headlines, product visuals, and copy for you automatically. Now, it's different from using something like Canva because every creative it generates is focused on performance and conversions and not just appearance. So with adcreative.ai, you can create a full set of ad variations in seconds, and with their brand feature, everything you create will stay on brand, including your colors, fonts, logos, and tone. It optimizes for platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, and more. And it also gives each creative that you make a performance score, which is incredibly helpful when it comes to running paid traffic. And I'll show you all this in a moment. So you don't need to be a designer and you don't need to spend ages trying to make everything match.
Good.
Now let's jump into the platform and I'll show you the features in action. And if you want to follow along with me, then you can get an extended free trial of Ad Creative as well as free credits using the link in the description box below this video. So first jumping into Ad Creative here, the first thing you'll notice is it's a clear dashboard. It's intuitive to navigate, which is something I really appreciate. We've got the navigation menu in the right hand side here. And on this page, underneath the brand list, this is where we can set up our brands. As you can see, I've already set up a brand right here. Now, this step is extremely important. So once you set up a brand, your adcreative.ai account will then create all of your creatives with the same branding, be it your logo, your fonts, your colors, your tone of voice, and so on, all across all the creatives it makes for you. And then in the sidebar, we have projects where we can see any past projects that we've already created. And then under analyze, this is a really powerful feature of adcreative.ai because it can actually give you creative insights on the performance of your ads. It can do that because your adcreative.ai account will be connected to your ad platforms, be it your Meta Ads account or your Google Ads account or whatever. And from there, it can then monitor and track the performance of your ads so you can see specifically which ads are working best for you. Then we also have a competitor insights feature, which allows you to see the performance of your competitors' ads. So essentially you can spy on your competitors and see exactly what's working best for them. Now just bear in mind, this feature is only available on the Pro plan and above, and we'll take a look at adcreative.ai pricing a bit later on in the video. And then we also have an inspiration bank, and this is really useful. So here, adcreative.ai has over 2 billion ads that's collected across 5 different advertising platforms. And these are real ads from real businesses, large and small, and they have a mix of image ads, video ads, UGC ads, and so on. So this is great to give you inspiration when it comes to creating your ads, and also get an idea of what's working in your industry. And you can search this by country or by industry, by platform, or by type of ad. Then the next section is we have Predict, where adcreative.ai will score your creatives for performance, brand awareness, and engagement to help you optimize your results. And they also have a compliance checker. So this is really important. So this ensures that your ads are not going to get you into any legal issues or cause you any problems on your advertising platform before you go live. Now bear in mind, again, that both these features are only available on the Pro plan. Now they also have this retouch section right here where you can use various AI tools to edit and further enhance your ads that Ad Creative has created for you if you want to. And then we have settings where we can manage our account, further manage our branding, connect to our teams, because yes, you can invite your team members also to your Ad Creative account, so they can then create your ads for you, manage your billing, access the API key, and also connect your account to your ad platforms as well. Now, something else that's really worth noting is that adcreative.ai also has this Academy button at the top right here, and this gives you access to lots of videos to show you exactly how to use all the different features inside of adcreative.ai. Now, for example, under the AI generated projects tab, we've got over 30 different videos showing you how to use all the different features. Now, don't get overwhelmed by this. You don't need to watch all of these. In fact, you only need to watch the ones that you need to use as you come to it. For example, if you jump into adcreative.ai and you want to create a UGC ad, not sure how to do it, this video right here will show you exactly how to do it. And what I particularly like about this Academy section is that these videos are bite-sized. This one, for example, is only 1 minute 40 seconds, and it shows you exactly how to use this particular feature to create UCG ads. So super handy, and they're really concise and to the point to keep you moving as quick as possible and ensure that you're not sitting around thinking how to use this and that feature, but instead you'll know exactly how to use each tool as and when you come to need to use them. Now, this next section is where things start to get interesting because I'm going to show you how the tool generates the creatives. So the first thing you'll need to do is come to the Brands tab and set up your brand. Now, you'll only have to do this once, or that is if you've only got one brand that you're managing. But if you do have actually more than one brand, then you'll need to do this just one time for each brand. So when you click on Create a Brand, you have two ways to set up your brand inside of adcreative.ai. And the first way is super simple, really fast, is just to copy paste your website URL in here. And then in a few seconds, AdCreative will scan your entire website and pull in information like your logo, your brand colors, your fonts, what your business is about, and so on. Alternatively, you can set this up manually, in which case all you need to do is click on each of these boxes and just fill out these form fields. So first of all, you'd write your brand name, you write a description about your brand, what you do, who you serve, what kind of products you sell, and the more information you can write, the better. Then you'd simply upload your logo, set your brand colors right here, and then in this section at the bottom is where you connect your ad account. Then once that's done, you can then start using adcreative.ai to create your ads. Now, let me show you a few examples of how that works. So from here, we can come up to the top left and click this big button that says generate. And now in this section right here is where we can start creating all kinds of ads. You can see there's lots to choose from, such as stock images, video ads, product photo ads. We've got UCG ads right here, fashion photo shoots, fashion video photo shoots, storytelling ads, and so on. So how about we start with generating a stock video image? I click on this, and here we can see we can create a video from a simple text prompt, or we can upload an image of our product, and then adcreative.ai will turn that into a video ad. We can also use VO3, which is Google's AI video generator. And in my opinion, I think it's probably one of, if not the best video creator that's on the market at the moment. But lucky for you, that's integrated with your adcreative.ai account. So you can use VO3 to create your video ad using a text or an image, or you can also use Sora 2, which is OpenAI's AI video generator, which is also pretty damn good as well. Let's have a go with creating a video ad with VO3. So first of all, you select your aspect ratio. Let's go for a landscape. Click on next. Now here is where we write our text prompt for VO3 to then create our video ad. Now I have a dummy brand for this example, which is a sleep supplement called Restore Sleep. And just to speed things up a bit, I just asked ChatGPT to create me a prompt to give to VO3, which is this one. So create an 8 to 10 second cinematic, visually striking ad for a natural sleep supplement called Restore Sleep. And I'll specify the tone, be cool, modern, dreamy, slightly playful. And the goal is instantly show the contrast between chaotic nights and deep effortless sleep. And then there's just a few more details of how I want our video ad to be. Click on next step. And then we have three options here, which is dependent on which adcreative.ai pricing plan you're using. So if you're on the Essentials plan, then you can create these fast turnaround videos at 720p. If you're on the Creator plan, then you can create production ready 1080p visuals. And on the Pro plan, you can create cinematic grade 1080p output. So let's go for the middle option for this example. Then we also have a few advanced options right here. If you want to adjust our resolution, video length, and camera motion, and these are your options right here. Let's just leave that on none for now. Name our project and then click generate. And now AdCreative gets to work creating our video. This will just take a few minutes, so I'll pause and be back with you in a minute when our ad is ready. Okay, that took about 1 minute, 10 seconds. Here's our video. Let's press play and see what we've got. Now, not bad at all. I actually think that's pretty damn good. And we only used the second option, which will be the quality of ad you can create on the Creator plan. But if you're on the Pro plan, then you can create video ads that are even better than that. So that's pretty impressive. Now let's try another one. Okay, quick pause here. If you're getting value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I share step-by-step guides on how to simplify the tech side of your business to help you be more productive, how to actually use AI and other smart tools the right way, and how to turn those tools into systems that can potentially bring in more revenue. So if that sounds good to you, then I'd love you to be a subscriber so you don't miss what comes next. So back inside AdCreative here, let's go for a product video right here. So if I select this option, first of all, we'll select our aspect ratio. How about this time we go for portrait video, click next. Now here is where we can upload an image of our product. So I've got my product right here. Let's go for this one. Now this isn't a real product. It's just something I knocked up quickly in Canva, just as an example to show you guys for this video. But right here, we can adjust the size of our products. Let's just keep it right there. And I'm just going to move that across something like that. Now right here, AdCreative.ai has already detected that this is a supplement bottle. And then right here now we need to write a short description of what our product's image actually looks like. And again, AdCreative.ai has already got a pretty good estimation of this image. So I'm going to leave it as is. Click next. So right here, we have the option now to be as hands-off as possible and just let the AI run with the design. Or you can have more input if you want to give more direction with prompts. I'm just going to leave it to the AI for this example and then click generate. So again, I'll pause the video, back with you in a sec once our video is ready. Okay, so now our product videos are ready and we've got 3 examples. Let's click play and see what we've got. So of course, no sound with this one and it's just a bit more basic than what we had before, but it's a good start and you can carry on prompting the AI to spruce up your video by adding perhaps a background and some music and anything else that you might want in your video. And then when you're happy with your ad, you can click on the download button right here to download it to your computer. Now let's try one more type of ad. I want to try the storytelling ad because that's a super popular type of ad that can actually be really effective for certain brands. So here we are back in Ad Creative. Let's go to storytelling ads. And first we have to select our size. Let's stick with the story size. Click on next. Then here we need to tell the AI a bit about your business. So again, you can use the quick option and copy paste your website URL or your landing page URL right in here. Then Ad Creative's AI will be able to read the information on your website so it can then use that for direction on your ad. Now, as you know, this Restore Sleep brand is just a dummy brand I made up to show you guys as an example for this video. So I don't actually have a website for this product. So in that case, I'm going to go to advanced options where I can just manually enter in some information about this product. So I've just put my brand name, filled out the target audience, call to action. I've put sleep better tonight, and then a little description about the product. Now here we can select the tone of voice that we want our story to be told in. So you've got quite a few options here. Let's go for empathetic. And then here we can select if we want the AI to use emojis or not. So I'm just going to leave that up to the AI to decide. Let's go to next. And now here we can select our AI voiceovers. This is great. We've got several options to choose from. Let's have a listen to a few of them and see what they sound like.
Hello and welcome to adcreative.ai, the #1 AI platform.
Hello and welcome to adcreative.ai, the #1 AI.
Hello and welcome to adcreative.ai, the #1 AI platform for advertising.
Hello and welcome to adcreative.ai.
Hello and welcome to adcreative.ai.
Okay, I think they sound pretty damn good. I'm going to keep it on Alice. I quite like that one. Let's go to the next steps. Need to name the project and then click generate. And I'll pause and I'll be back with you in a sec once our ad is ready. Okay, now our ads are ready. In fact, Ad Creative AI has created 3 versions of our ad. So let's click play on each of them and see what they're like.
Tossing and turning, unable to quiet your busy mind. Night after night, it's the same struggle. Stressful days leading to restless nights. Restore Sleep offers a natural solution to ease your mind and guide you into restful sleep. Wake refreshed, clear-headed. Picture this, a night of deep, uninterrupted sleep, waking up feeling refreshed and recharged. Restore Sleep promises just that. With natural botanicals and targeted nutrients, it helps calm your mind for restful sleep. Picture this, a night where your mind is at peace, drifting effortlessly into a deep, calming sleep. Restore Sleep promises to quiet overactive thoughts and ease stress naturally.
Okay, overall pretty good, I think. I mean, personally, I would switch out that music. It did seem a bit fast-paced for a sleep supplement. And although I do think the AI voice is really good, I don't think it's quite the right tone for this type of ad, so I would make those changes. But with a simple prompt, you can get the AI to adjust those things and then tweak your ad. Now, when it comes to the pros of Ad Creative AI, it's very fast and produces high-quality ad creatives. It has an easy-to-use interface. It has strong AI image and video generation. It has lots of ad format templates to choose from. It's excellent for testing different variations of your ads. It can really boost your productivity by getting professional ads created really quickly. And it also comes with in-depth analytics, a compliance checker, and even a competitor analysis tool. But just bear in mind, these last 3 pros I put on this list here are only available on the Pro plan and above. When it comes to the cons of Ad Creative AI, it can be a little bit pricey for small creators, and we'll talk about the pricing in just a second. It can have occasional AI inaccuracies. But that said, of course, you can correct those either manually or by giving the AI more prompts to enhance your designs. And it also does currently have limited granular customization. So who should use Ad Creative AI? So it's great for marketers wanting fast, high quality ad creatives, small businesses needing quick ad variations, agencies managing multiple clients, e-commerce brands running frequent campaigns, and anyone wanting analytics, compliance checking, or competitor insights. And who it's not so good for are people who need full manual design control, businesses that don't have an ad budget at all, or users expecting perfect AI outputs every time. Now, when it comes to Ad Creative AI pricing, we first tell you about the monthly pricing plan, and then I'll tell you about a couple of discount offers that you can also take advantage of. So if you're paying monthly, then the starter plan begins at $39 per month. So this is great for small businesses or people just getting started. Then the professional plan does increase quite steeply at $249 per month. However, this is better for medium-sized businesses and people needing a high volume of ads. And then the unlimited plan at $599 per month is ideal for agencies. Now, if you prefer to pay yearly and get a discount for doing that, then currently at the time of recording this video, the yearly pricing plan is 40% discount off any of these plans. But currently, at the time I'm recording this video right now, we are just around the corner from Black Friday, and adcreative.ai has a Black Friday deal to give you 50% off of any of these pricing plans. So if you're lucky enough to see this video within the Black Friday window, then you can benefit from getting 50% off of any of these price plans if you pay yearly or if you pay quarterly. Now, if you want to discover 12 powerful AI tools that can take your business to the next level, then watch this video right here.